Hello, everyone. How you doing today? I'm in the Benson. We're in the Faroe Islands in a domination mode. One aircraft carrier, a shit ton of battleships, 246 battleships,
battle starts.
4 destroyers. Chung Moo there does good.
Let's give them a hard time.
Glad he's on my side because he knows how to play the game.
Teammate, I need your support.
Move of going out to the flank and spotting.
I need help. Roger.
And that's got
Acknowledged.
Jean Bart. That Jean Bart won't make it to the end of the game. He's playing it like a cruiser. That thing is not a cruiser. Somebody's telling us DDs to go wide on C. That's what I'm already doing. So I said going.
Teammate, I need your support. Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Oh yeah, it's a Jean Bart being Jean Bart. Play it like a cruiser. And we got a Scharnhorst and a Georgia. And a Marco Polo. Oh, hello. What you doing there, little
Concentrate
boat?
fire on the designated target. Enemy battleship detected.
Fancy skin on that boat.
Smoke generator started.
It's about to have a real bad day. There's my stutter. My computer is shit. Off the smoke. Swing about. Some more of them if I can.
Acknowledged.
And yeah, he didn't
Smoke
like
screen
that.
set.
Come on, Joe, get in the smoke. That's what it's there for. There we go. Georgia. And there's the Sims over there. Got no guns on him. Damn it.
Acknowledged.
Thinking about it.
Enemy cruiser sighted. All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
Position. Left himself exposed. Hello. Jean Bart. What you doing, buddy? It's not a good position to be in. Although he did get to Georgia. But there's still a Sims over there. Got him spotted. And I don't think he's
Torpedoes, direct front.
us.
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Surrey's running away. We got 2 destroyers. Scharnhorst is leaving. He decided not to be in this party. Sure, I can talk today.
Our team has taken the lead.
Ooh, Jean Bart. Yorktown got a destroyer.
Concentrate fire on the enemy
Jean
warship.
Bart B got our Jean Bart.
Engine boost activated.
Position. I can throw that smoke out there. Look out, boys. Coming through. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it.
Smoke generator started.
Got the radar. Goody, goody gumdrops. Oh, that Sims knows he's in trouble.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
No luck on that shot. Come on. And here we go. Look at that guy. There we go. And I got
Enemy
a
destroyer sunk.
Smoke screen set.
Ah. Shot horse. Got
Problem
me in
solved,
sights.
sir. All stations. Concentrate fire on the target.
Yikes. And he's behind the island. Ooh, Brandenburg went down. Musashi got him.
Our team has taken the lead.
Chengdu got the Shark horse with torpedoes. I was wondering who got him. And now all we have is Marco Polo. And he's slowing down. Why are you slowing down?
Attention. Reporting the target position.
Roger.
Alright, so throw a couple rounds his way.
Engine boost deactivated.
No pens. No pens. Well, that sucks. Didn't even start a fire. Alright, let's do a flanking maneuver.
I need intelligence data.
Yeah. Give me a minute. Chengdu's asking for intelligence. There he is.
All stations. Concentrate fire on the target.
Shot mark B. Benham. Amagi's almost dead.
All stations. Requesting fire on the designated target.
There's Surrey. That boy's gonna be a problem. Amagi's down.
Acknowledged.
Good. Bismarck got it. Uganda's down. Number B got him. Z-44. You going, brother? Aircraft carriers all over his ass. Our Bismarck got whacked by the veteran. That is not good. It's not good at all. Come on. Let's see if I can get lucky. Alright, where are we at? What are we doing? Got another destroyer coming to help. Aircraft carriers, our aircraft carriers.
Engine boost activated.
Alright. Lay a line of smoke. This is a psyop right here. Getting close. A little bit closer.
Smoke generator started.
Run in. Come on. This is dangerous. Ooh, he's not expecting that at all.
Problem solved, sir. All stations, requesting fire on the designated target. Smoke screen set.
Jean-Marc B is in trouble, and he knows it. Jaeger got it. Good job, Jaeger.
Torpedoes astern.
Now,
Torpedoes
watch
astern.
Surrey here. I don't know what he's
Torpedoes
thinking.
astern.
Okay, Nebraska got the
Nice work.
That's good. Yeah, one destroyer. Knows I'm over here.
Thank
Where's
you.
his guns pointing? Not at me. And the Marco Polo.
Thank you. Engine boost deactivated.
Don't think he's looking for me. He's burned.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Oh, Surrey's down. Good job, Dookie. York got him. He realized there's torpedoes on the way. He punched it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2.
Much obliged, Commander.
Our team has taken the lead.
Yeah, I did a number on his ass. Z44, what are you doing over there, buddy? Getting your ass kicked? Oh, there we go.
Our victory is in
Nebraska got
sight.
his ass too. Marco Polo is dead. York got him. Duke of York. Oh,
Our victory is in sight.
Chung Mu went down. That's too bad.
Attack enemy
44
aircraft.
torpedoes got him. It's over. That was a good match. Got a fairly decent team. The enemy team wasn't a pushover. My little maneuver threw a wrench in their works and
That was a great battle.
kind of messed with their head. And where is everybody? Sims, Jaeger, me, Dookie York, Nebraska.
That's how it's done. Good show.
Where is that aircraft carrier? Oh yeah, Nebraska is a hybrid.
Attention. Reporting the target position. Engine boost activated.
The Kaga. And of course the scores are flipped. Yeah, I'm not going to be close enough. It's over.
Roger.
It's over. Almost 970. He's just sitting there going, shit, now what do I do? 990. And that's a solid win. 21 hit points left by who? Well, let's look at it. Look at the roster. Not bad. That's the guy I'm talking about. He did all right. Everybody except the Uganda did really well on my team. Even the ones that died. There's me. Bounty Hunter. First Blood. Bounty Hunter. Good job, Yorktown. Nebraska, Close Quarter Expert. Dookie York, Bounty Hunter. I forgot the map. The Nebraska is a hybrid. He'd be a hybrid ship. Even our Yorktown got a kill. Bounty Hunter and just a flesh wound. He killed the Chung Mu. And he got a Bounty Hunter. But none of their team got over 1,000. 5, 6 kills. There's my roster. Not bad. Almost 50% hit rate. Torpedoes, I hit 2. 39.5 for spotting damage. That's not bad. Not great, but not bad. "14 minutes. Alright, that's the match, people. Turned out alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and have a good day.